how to turn off your page post notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your page post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find settings, not settings, this one, pages, and then select your page. And now just scroll down. Here you will find your post and click these 3 points. And now all you need to do is just click turn off notifications for this post, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.